what actually is a chicken egg? What do the different colours mean? Let's find out. Every 26 hours, an ova, or an egg, is released from the ovaries. If it was in a human, this would then head for the womb, which would be ready waiting for it. But chickens don't have wombs, so therefore they don't menstruate, and everything is done in their oviducts. A day-old hen has 10,000 ova in her ovaries, only 10% of which will ever develop a yolk. Every 26 hours, one of these yolks is released from the ovaries, where egg white protein is added around the yolk. Next, the egg travels to the isthmus, where the membranes are added around the yolk and the white. You'll often see these membranes when you crack open an egg. They're the skin that you see inside. The egg then moves into the shell gland, where layers of calcium are added on top of that membrane, which begin to form what we know to be the egg. Different colours are added in different stages of that process. Some blues are added much earlier on, and you'll see the inside of the shell is blue. Other colours are added later in that process, and you'll see that the inside of the shell is white and the outer side is blue or brown. So blue is added much earlier and brown is added much later on. Here I've got 3 different eggshells, and you can see the variety between them. Blue on the inside of this one, but in the middle here we've got white on the inside of a blue. So it's still a blue shell, but the genetics of the hen mean that this particular hen adds that blue pigment later in that process. And then the last thing to be added is the bloom. This is a coating around the egg that seals it off from bacteria. This is why we don't clean eggs in the UK, theory being that if you clean that off, the egg doesn't last as long. This egg is then posted out of the oviduct via the cloaca, where it then travels down for me to collect it. So do eggs need to be fertile? No, they do not. Many commercial egg producers do not have cockerels in their flocks. Our eggs are fertile. This guy runs with the flock. Chickens mate through something called the cloaca kiss, where they simply kiss their vents together. The sperm is passed from cockerel to hen, but fertile eggs are completely safe to eat. So you don't need one of these to make one of these.